Can you solve this puzzle which claim on internet only genius people can solve? Let's take a start. You can see here in the first equation we have headphone, woofer and earphone, and the is equal to 15. The sum of three product is equal to 15, which we cannot find out. Now look at the second equation where we have a similar type of picture headphone, so we can solve this one. So which is equal to 30 also, so the value of one headphone is equal to 10. So we can write here 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. If similar, then we can find out. First equation the all three products are not similar, so we cannot find out. Second equation we found, we know that the value of headphone is equal to 10. Now look at the third equation. The value of headphone, we know the value of headphone is 10, so 10 plus 10 into which number, it will be equal to 40. So what we have to write in the blank, so when you multiply and sum with 10, it equal to 40. So definitely here will be 3, because 3 into 10 30, 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. So third equation also done. Now we have to go in first equation. We know the value of headphone is equal to 10, so we have to write on 10 plus woofer value we don't know, so just write on blank, plus what is the value of earphone from equation 3 is 3 is there, so 3 is which is equal to 15. So in the blank what we have to write, it will be equal to 15. 10 plus 3 13, and definitely here will be 2. 13 plus 2, it will be 15. Now came to the last equation, which is we have to find out, we have to replace question mark with a number. The value of headphone, we know that 10 into, we have to focus on sign, here is into, here also multiply. Okay, multiply. And the value of woofer we found in equation 1, here is 2, so we have to write on 2 into the value of earphone is equal to 3, so we have to write on 3. Now we have to multiply these all three numbers and we get the correct answer of this puzzle. 10 into 2 20, 20 into 3 60. So the correct answer of this puzzle is 60. If you like this video, if you understand, please hit the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.